Conjunctions.
I want to get a shirt and a skirt stitched.
When do you want to wear it?
I need it next week because it is my friend's birthday party.
I will try my best, but I have lots of work these days, so it may take a little longer to stitch your clothes.
Please don't take very long. I will not be able to attend the party unless I have my new dress.
In the dialogues, the girl and the tailor have used words that join two words or sentences together. The words and, because, but, so, unless are examples of conjunctions. Definition. A conjunction is a word that joins together two words or sentences. Let us look at few sentences. Anil and Meenal are walking together. It was a beautiful day for a picnic, since there was no possibility of rain. You must complete your homework or the teacher will punish you. In the first sentence, and is a conjunction as it joins together two names. In the next sentence, since is a conjunction as it joins together two sentences. In the third sentence, or is a conjunction joining two sentences. Here is a list of some conjunctions. Neither, nor, either, or, if, although, otherwise. I'm a teenager and my life is very stressful. I go to school and play sports and I play computer games with my friends. I hardly have time to relax. I do my homework, of course, but I don't read any extra books or newspapers for fun. I play the drums and I would like to join a band, but I don't have time to practice or rehearse. My schoolwork comes first and sports come second. Playing soccer is very important to me because it gives me energy. I'm always tired because I never get enough sleep. I usually stay up late because I have to finish homework or